Good morning, and I'm very happy listening to you all. This is begin today's program with Salvation of Swami Vivekananda. I invite Kaushiki and Joyka to come for classical dance performance along with the Sanskrit stuff of Swami Vivekananda, Anitya Drishyesh.
यदर्शेषु विवेचनितो तस्मिन् समानम् विभास्मलीलया विवेकमय्यागमीशोकचित्तम् योऽसौ विवेकी तमहं नमामि योऽसौ विवेकी तमहं नमामि
Now, I request our principal, Ravrajika Gyanaswami Mataji, to address us all.
Most revered Secretary Mataji, my other monastic sisters, teachers, and dear children. Namaskar and a very warm welcome to you all. Today we have gathered here to celebrate the National Youth Day, a day dedicated to honoring the youth of our nation and paying tribute to the great spiritual luminary Swami Vivekananda. On this auspicious occasion, we remember Swami Vivekananda's teachings and his vision for the youth of our nation. Swami Vivekananda believed that the youth are the future of our nation and that they hold the power to bring about positive change. He emphasized the importance of self-confidence, self-discipline, selfless service, and pursuit of highest knowledge. His teachings continue to inspire and guide us, reminding us of our potential and the responsibilities we carry. As we celebrate National Youth Day, let us reflect on the teachings of Swami Vivekananda and draw inspiration from his life. He believed in the power of education, not just for academic knowledge, but also for character building and moral values. Let us strive to be well-rounded individuals who are not only academically strong, but also compassionate, empathetic, and responsible. Swami Vivekananda stressed the importance of self-belief and self-realization. He encouraged us to have faith in our abilities and to strive for excellence in whatever we do. Let us remember that each one of us has unique talents and capabilities. So, let us embrace our strengths and work on our weaknesses. Let us never underestimate the power we hold within ourselves. Swamiji also emphasized the need for unity and harmony among individuals and communities. He believed that the strength of a nation lies in its diversity. Let us celebrate and respect our differences and work together towards a common goal, the progress and prosperity of our beautiful nation. Children, always dream big and set high goals for yourselves. Remember that success is not measured by wealth or fame, but by the positive impact we have on the lives of others. Be compassionate, be kind, and be the change you wish to see in the world. On this National Youth Day, let us pledge to uphold the values and teachings of Swami Vivekananda. Let us strive to be responsible, confident, compassionate individuals who contribute to the progress of our country. Thank you and a very happy Youth Day to you all.
Thank you, Mataji, for your inspiring words. Swami Vivekananda's life and teachings have inspired millions of people for many generations. Shobit, in the get-up of Swami Vivekananda, will deliver a short message of Swami Vivekananda in his dynamic way.
In this culture, we understand that God is our making. We use Him for human emancipation rather than seeing Him as a supreme power which rules us. My dear young friends, I'm happy to be amongst you all today. Let me share my limited knowledge on religion and spirituality. God is within us all. Divinity resides within all things. Our Vedantic culture admits that perfection, purity and strength are all in the soul already. Faith, sympathy, clearly sympathy. Faith in ourselves. This is the secret of greatness. आप लोग पूजा किसी भी वस्तु की कर सकते हैं, पर हाँ, उसमें ईश्वर के दर्शन होने चाहिए। किसी भी चित्र या मूर्ति को ईश्वर मानना भूल है। ईश्वर तो सर्वव्यापी है। भक्ति तो हमारे अंदर है, केवल उसके ऊपर कामकाजन का पर्दा पड़ा हुआ है। एकाग्रता की सहायता से मानव सर्वोत्तम सत्यम तक पहुंच सकता है। स्वयं पर विश्वास हो तो मानव कभी भी विचलित नहीं हो सकता। मेरे गुरुजी कहते थे, लोटा भी ईश्वर है, कटोरी भी ईश्वर है, हम सभी में ईश्वर है और हम सभी में ईश्वर का अंश है। Never quarrel about religion. All quarrels and disputes concerning religion simply show that there is no spirituality. रुको, we are not my friends. रुको, घबराओ मत. The moment you fear, you are nobody. It is fear that is the root cause of misery in this world today. We are alone, that is the cause of all superstitions. Fearlessness is that which brings heaven in a moment. All powers are within you. You can do anything and everything. You can do anything and everything. Arise, awake and stop not till the goal is reached. उठो, जागो तथा लक्ष्य प्राप्ति तक मत रुको.
Thank you, Shobit, for this invigorating message of Swami Vivekananda. Now Miraya of Grade Nursery will come and perform an action song. That was so cute. Thank you, Mariah. There's a beautiful bhajan by the Indian saint Surdas which has a deep significance in the life of Swami Vivekananda. Tanushri Chaudhary will now come and perform a classical dance on this bhajan. I will not narrate the incidents. You need to read Swami Vivekananda's detailed life for that. Let us welcome Tanushri Devi.
प्रभु जी मोरे अवगुण चितना करो प्रभु जी मोरे अवगुण चितना करो समदर सीखे नाम तिहारो समदर सीखे नाम तिहारो चाहो तो पार करो प्रभु जी मोरे अवगुण चितना करो
That was simply amazing. Thank you, Tanushri Didi, for this beautiful dance performance. Swami Vivekananda's presence of mind was remarkable. He was very witty and brave and was never afraid of facing difficult situations. Dhaval of grade 3 will now tell us about an interesting incident from Swamiji's life.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम धवल कृष्णा है। मैं कक्षा 3 का छात्र हूँ। आज मैं आप सबको स्वामी जी के बारे में बताने जा रहा हूँ। एक बार स्वामी जी अमेरिका में रेल यात्रा कर रहे थे। उन्हीं की कंपार्टमेंट में 3 लड़कियां बैठी हुई थीं। वे लड़कियां स्वामी जी को विभिन्न प्रकार से चिढ़ा रही थीं, क्योंकि स्वामी जी के वस्त्र अमेरिकी जैसे नहीं थे। वे लड़कियां स्वामी जी की पगड़ी और वस्त्र देखकर खूब मजाक उड़ा रही थीं। फिर भी स्वामी जी शांत बैठे थे। तभी उन लड़कियों की नजर स्वामी जी के हाथ में पड़ी, जो स्वामी जी ने सोने की घड़ी पहनी थी, जो उन्हें भारत के एक राजा ने भेंट की थी। फिर उन लड़कियों ने स्वामी जी को अधिक परेशान करने के उद्देश्य से उन्हें बोला कि चुपचाप आप अपनी सोने की घड़ी हमें दे दीजिए, नहीं तो हम पुलिस को बुलाएंगे और कहेंगे कि आप हमें तंग कर रहे हैं। फिर स्वामी जी ने बहरा होने का नाटक किया और इशारों में उन लड़कियों से कहा कि मैं जो भी आप कुछ कह रहे हैं, मैं वो कुछ भी नहीं सुन पा रहा हूँ। आप जो भी कह रहे हैं उसे मुझे कागज में लिख कर दीजिए। उन लड़कियों ने वैसा ही किया। फिर स्वामी जी ने वह कागज अपनी जेब में रखा और बोले कि अब आप बुलाइए पुलिस को और मैं शिकायत करूंगा कि तो ये 3 लड़कियां मुझे परेशान कर रही हैं। फिर उन 3 लड़कियों ने स्वामी जी से माफी मांगी। तो ऐसे थे हमारे स्वामी जी, जो मुश्किल से मुश्किल समय में भी अपना धैर्य और सूझबूझ नहीं खोते थे। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Dhaval, for narrating this interesting incident to us. Swami Vivekananda is believed to be an avatar of Lord Shiva. Here is a beautiful Sanskrit hymn dedicated to Swami Vivekananda, composed by Swamiji's disciple Shri Sharad Chandra Chakravarti, in which he has described the Shiva-like qualities of Swami Vivekananda. Joyita Das of grade 4 will now come and perform a dance on this very hymn.
Thank you.
for this wonderful dance performance. As we come to the close of today's event, let us once again hear the wonderful message of Swami Vivekananda through the mouth of our students.
Namaste. Thus spake Swami Vivekananda. Take risks in your life. If you win, you can lead. If you lose, you can guide. स्वामी जी ने कहा था, जीवन में खतरा लेने का अभ्यास करें। अगर आप जीतते हैं तो आप नेतृत्व कर सकते हैं। अगर आप हारते हैं तो आप मार्गदर्शन कर सकते हैं। धन्यवाद।
Education is the manifestation of perfection already in man. Thank you. वह भी सच्चे अर्थों में जीते हैं जो दूसरों के लिए जीते हैं. Each work has to pass through these stages: ridicule, opposition, and then acceptance. Those who think ahead of their time are sure to be misunderstood. जीवन की सुंदरता इस बात पर निर्भर नहीं करती कि आप कितने प्रसन्न हैं, बल्कि इस बात पर निर्भर करती है कि आपकी वजह से दूसरे कितने प्रसन्न हो सकते हैं. Take up one idea. Make that one idea your life. Think of it, dream of it. Let the brain, muscles, nerves, every part of your body be full of that idea and just leave every other idea alone. This is the way to success. Thank you. एक विचार लो, उस एक विचार को अपना जीवन बनाओ, उसके बारे में सोचो, उसके सपने देखो. मस्तिष्क, मांसपेशियों, तंत्रिकाओं, शरीर के हर हिस्से को उस विचार से भरा रहने दो और बाकी सभी विचारों को अकेला छोड़ दो. यही सफलता का रास्ता है. धन्यवाद.
The more we do good to others, the more our heart will be purified and God will be in them.
हम जितना अधिक दूसरों का भला करेंगे उतना ही हमारा हृदय शुद्ध होगा और भगवान उनमें निवास करेंगे.
शिक्षित होने का मतलब है ऐसा दिमाग होना जो सोच सके, ऐसा दिल हो जो महसूस कर सके और ऐसी आत्मा होना जो कल्पना कर सके.
ब्रह्मांड की सभी शक्तियाँ पहले से हमारी ही है. यह हम हैं जो अपनी आंखों पर हाथ रख लेते हैं और रोते हैं कि अंधेरा है.
That was simply it. Thank you, children. Swami Vivekananda was the symbol of purity, vitality, and bravery. He is an icon for the youth all over the world. Let us pray to Swami Vivekananda to grant us all the good qualities required to become a perfect human being.
Thank you.
qualities of Swami Vivekananda and make our lives blessed. Once again, Happy Youth Day to you all. Thank you.